The future of smart kitchens, 2025 trends that are revolutionizing home cooking. The kitchen has always been the heart of the home, but in 2025, it's beating faster and smarter than ever before. From intuitive appliances to AI-powered recipe management, the evolution of the kitchen is being driven by innovation, efficiency, and personalization. What once required hours of manual work can now be automated, simplified, and even predicted. The modern kitchen no longer just supports cooking, it enhances it with intelligence. This podcast dives into 4 major trends that define the smart kitchen revolution and how they're transforming the daily culinary experience. In 2025, artificial intelligence in the kitchen is not just a buzzword, it's a necessity. AI-powered cooking assistants embedded directly into your appliances or available as standalone apps are now a daily companion for millions. These systems analyze your dietary preferences, past meals, and pantry inventory to suggest recipes tailored to your health goals, allergies, and even mood. Voice-controlled devices let you interact with your kitchen in real time, guiding you step by step through the cooking process or adjusting oven settings with a simple command. AI even anticipates what you might want to cook and preheats the oven or starts the coffee pot before you step into the kitchen. This shift has turned cooking from a task into an experience where technology augments your creativity instead of replacing it. Sustainability continues to shape the kitchen of the future. And in 2025, green tech is smarter and more accessible than ever. Smart fridges now include internal cameras and expiration tracking to reduce food waste by alerting you when items are nearing spoilage and suggesting ways to use them. Waste management systems are built directly into modern countertops, allowing users to compost, recycle, or sort trash with minimal effort. Water-saving faucets and induction stoves contribute to more eco-conscious cooking without sacrificing performance. Even packaging is evolving. Ingredient delivery kits now use biodegradable materials and trackable carbon-neutral shipping. This environmentally mindful infrastructure supports a sustainable lifestyle without adding complexity to your routine. The rise of hyper-personalization has brought tailored kitchen experiences into every home. Smart appliances adjust cooking times and techniques based on who's using them. A family of 4 can now program a single oven to cook 4 different meals simultaneously, customized to each member's taste and dietary restrictions. Nutrition tracking platforms sync with wearable health devices to offer real-time feedback on what you're preparing. Whether you're on keto, plant-based, or a Mediterranean diet, your kitchen adapts dynamically. Pantry organization apps use visual recognition to log items, plan meals, and create shopping lists automatically. With AI meal planners connected to grocery delivery services, The kitchen is now an integrated part of your health ecosystem, functioning like a personalized chef and dietitian in one. Finally, the aesthetics of the 2025 kitchen have taken a leap into the world of modular design and multifunctional spaces. With the surge in remote work and smaller living spaces, kitchen islands now transform into work desks, dining areas, or even podcasting stations. Wireless charging pads are embedded in countertops, and sleek, space-saving appliances blend seamlessly into the architecture. Color-changing LED lighting adjusts to the time of day or even to the mood of the cook. Interactive smart surfaces, like touchscreen backsplashes, allow users to browse recipes, watch cooking tutorials, or join virtual cooking classes without stepping away from their prep area. This fusion of form and function transforms the kitchen into a living, breathing space that serves far more than just food preparation. It becomes a hub of innovation, interaction, and inspiration.